How to use AirPlay with your MacBook Neo. So if you want to simply stream or maybe extend the display of your Neo using AirPlay, the first thing you need to know is that both devices, your Neo and your screen or your TV, needs to be connected on the same Wi-Fi network. Then open AirPlay on your TV. This is an LG one, but it works with many different brands. And usually in this menu, you're gonna get an on-off button on some of them. I know I had a Roku TV and it was asking me to turn AirPlay on before being able to use it. But over here, it's automatically on. It will tell you the Wi-Fi network that you need to connect your Mac Neo to. So once both are connected, all you have to do is to go over here on the top right corner, click this icon. And as long as both are connected, you're gonna press this other icon, and the LG TV or whatever Samsung TV will appear under mirror or extend to. Click on it, and sometimes on the TV you're gonna see a number, a code, and on the Mac you'll have to type this code to confirm. I already paired both of these devices together. That's why it didn't ask me the code. That's just a first time thing. So as you see, the screen is getting mirrored. But what if you simply want to extend the screen of your MacBook Neo? Well, let me go over here. You simply have to go in the same settings. And this time, again, click on that icon. You're going to click on Change. And you have three choices: to mirror the entire screen, to mirror just a window, so your desktop will not appear there. And finally, if you want to extend your display, you're going to choose this option, press Extend Display. To change the settings of these display, if you want to change the resolution or other things, you need to go on the top corner over here, top left corner, select System Settings, select Displays, and you're going to see your external display with AirPlay. If you click on it, you can change the resolution. If you click on your Mac Neo, you'll be able to change as well the resolution and other things. Once you're done and you want to turn off AirPlay, go back where you were, click on the icon and click Stop. And you are back on the main page. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.